Interesting. Good morning. My name is Dr. Dino Cotton with the Resio Clinic. Do you experience sleepless nights, an unquenchable thirst for innovation, and an insatiable hunger for developing with Salesforce toolkits? Well, you may just have a case of apex overload syndrome, but don't worry. We might have just the cure. You see, our client is a marketing agency in North Scottsdale with a dire need for someone with your condition. Oh, thank you. Are you fluent in Salesforce? Can you craft solutions with Apex, PHP, Python, and JSON? Navigate the vast terrains of SQL, HTML, and CSS3? Other symptoms include your abilities with third-party integrations, ad tech development, and a little bit of API science. Looking further, our records are showing a healthy dose of skills with code branching, gatekeeping, and meticulous testing to ensure pristine deployments. So if you're itching to apply your vast knowledge, get your code flowing in the right channels, and collaborate with a team that's as passionate as you are, reach out to me here on LinkedIn. I might even refill your prescription.